Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. High-impact injection molded plastic seat frame. No-pinch aluminum hinges. Heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl. Withstands the effects of sun, heat, rain and soiling under normal conditions. Compression foam padding. Includes fasteners. Attached to be a standard seat swivel or seat mount. Seat dimensions: height 18, width 16, depth 16.25, sitting depth 13.75. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Provides durable and comfortable seating on a boat. Installs securely using included screws. Durable one-piece molded plastic construction. Gray. 18 inches W by 21 inches D by 16 inches H. 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 The number 2 on the list is: many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. B100 boat seat. Mounts to most boat pedestals. 3-year warranty. Weight capacity: 400 pounds. Weight 19.5 pounds. Seat size: W 20 inches D 17. Ding, 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 ding. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Wise 8 WD 734 Series Standard Low Back Fishing Boat Seat. Aluminum no-pinch hinges and injection molded high-impact plastic seat frame. Compression foam padding. Heavy-duty marine-grade 28 ounces. Vinyl with embossed surface detail. Withstands the effects of sun, heat, rain and soiling under normal conditions. Includes mounting fasteners to mount to any standard BIA 4-bolt pedestal system or seat swivel. Seat dimensions: height 19, width 16, depth 18, 5, seat depth 14.